Glamour World. Disguise is on. I'm taking her down.
Talk to Grandma. Tell Grandma you love her.
I love you too.
We're not here for the show, mister. We're delivering sea lions. Sea lions? Yeah. Someone named Mr. Hackett.
Tell Grandma what you're playing.
Okay, put him in the exhibit with the otters. And
This is called shape.
Mm-hmm.
You mix
Michael, turn the
shape.
volume down.
I love you. Yeah.
And what is he?
Over here,
He
guys.
looks a little bit like a duck. But I don't think that was a duck. Was it?
Get the sea urchins.
You don't know?
I don't know what that one is. Whatever it is, it's so messy. Because it's so what we should make one more. Two more. No, one more.
Uh-huh. That's like a stop sign.
Wow.
We have one on the corner of our street, don't we?
Do you know that's a twinkle? Do you know stop signs are red and they look like bigger than?
Right.
And that has two things and those and a cone and it's ice cream.
Mm-hmm.